Hello everyone, today we are going to prepare Tunisian Tajine. It's different from the Moroccan dish, so we start by sauteing some onion in olive oil or any other vegetable oil of your preference on medium heat. Once the onion is translucent, we add cubed chicken and let that saute for a moment. Remember that all the ingredients are listed below in the description box. Now we add some chopped spinach. This step is very optional, but it adds texture to your dish and we really like it this way. Now it's time to add spices. We use salt, black pepper, turmeric. We add thyme too. You can do also minced garlic or garlic paste, whatever you prefer. We finish by adding half a cup of water and then we mix and we let it simmer for around 20 minutes or until the chicken is cooked and the spinach is wilted. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we are going to prepare our cubed potatoes. You can fry them in the cooking pan with some oil, but we like to bake them. So we start by spreading them on a baking sheet and coating them with olive oil. Make sure to spread them evenly. Then you can place the pan in the oven for around 20 minutes or until they have a golden color. Don't forget to check on the chicken and spinach mixture, and at this point it's almost ready. Halfway through the baking of the potatoes, turn them so they cook evenly. Once everything is ready, it's assembly time. Pour the chicken and the spinach mixture into a large mixing bowl. Then add the potatoes and mix well. Add some shredded cheese, preferably a mix between parmesan and mozzarella, but feel free to add any other type of cheese that you prefer. Here we added some cheddar. Follow that with 1 cup of sour cream for a more rich texture. This is the most important part of our dish, the eggs. At this point, we are going to add 6 eggs. Once mixed, you would like to check the consistency. We ended up adding 2 more eggs, which makes a total of 8. That's the consistency you want. Now get a baking dish, layer it with parchment paper and make sure to top it with oil or butter. Then pour the mix in the dish, spreading it evenly. You can garnish it with cubed hard-boiled eggs. We didn't add them before so they don't get crushed with the mixing nor fall to the bottom of the dish. Same goes for the sliced olives. Place in the preheated oven for around 30 minutes. You can do a knife test by inserting the tip of the knife in the middle of the dish, and if it comes out clean, you know it's ready. Look at that color. Let it cool down for a few minutes before serving. We hope you like this video. Let us know in the comments below if you tried this recipe or if you have any requests for other Tunisian dishes.